Here at Empower Brokerage, we greatly value training insurance agents and helping the public find the best insurance plan for their unique situations. Recently, we invited health insurance carriers to speak to the organization's partnering agents about products for the 2025 Open Enrollment. We asked a few agents what they thought about the day's events and how Empower Brokerage has assisted them in their careers.
It's great. It's always good to come to trainings like this. You get to share ideas with other agents and learn as much as you can and be ready for open enrollment.
The presentation was really great. Carolyn Hudson from United gave a wonderful presentation. She gave us some new insights about what United Health is offering for 2025, especially on the dental. United is offering braces for kids for the dental plans, which wasn't offered the year before. Also, Aetna, Nancy Lopez, she also gave a wonderful presentation.
The presentations were very good. They were informational and thorough and got me excited for open enrollment for 2025. Looking forward to working with UHC and Aetna.
Well, pretty much with all the training I've needed, and not to mention with marketing, and my RSD is really knowledgeable, and they help me out in everything I need.
Empower has helped me because they have brought in different carriers and to be able to understand their products individually. So to be able to sell them to our new members that hopefully will be writing through and putting them through.
They're very resourceful. They're very helpful. Anything I need, usually, if they don't answer, they call me back within the same day. So they're very, very helpful as far as a company. They're very well known, and they have made my work a whole lot easier when it comes to enrolling clients and giving the right kind of information to attract the right kind of demographic.
We prioritize customer satisfaction and want agents to succeed in the field. If you are interested in becoming an agent and want to partner with Empower Brokerage, call us at 888-539-1633.